Subscribe to Nazima's Taste of Home. Press the bell icon for latest updates. Today I am back again with another simple and easy Sri Lankan dessert. Pumpkin pudding. I am sure many of you all have not heard of this pumpkin pudding, and growing up in Sri Lanka, I remember I made this delicious Wattaka pudding recipe for the first time in my school days and when I was in a home science period, and I really liked it. Since then my family also started liking it and it was a big hit at that time. Since the fall season is here, there are tons of pumpkins everywhere. So I thought of making this long forgotten delicious pumpkin pudding for this weekend, and let's see the ingredients and see how easy to make this pumpkin pudding. So I'm going to get butternut squash, or we call it Dubai Wattaka in Sri Lanka. This is the ideal pumpkin for this recipe because it is hard and mushy and easy to make this pumpkin pudding. We need about 500 grams pumpkin pulp, 3 to 4 eggs. I have taken 4 eggs because my eggs were very small, but you can take 3 eggs if they are large. And here I have taken 1 teaspoon vanilla, and we need half teaspoon cinnamon powder and half teaspoon nutmeg powder. But if you don't get the fresh one, you can use the store-bought cinnamon powder and the nutmeg powder. 1 small tin condensed milk, this is 390 grams, and a pinch of salt. I have taken rock salt. 1/4 cup shredded jaggery, or you can use dark brown sugar to get the authentic color. Now let's start cutting the squash or wattaka and remove the seeds, and then cut into 2, and then again cut into cubes. And then rinse it well. Now let's boil the pumpkin. Put it in a large pan and add about half water. And now let's start cooking this. Cover it with a lid and cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes or until soft. Now this took me about 25 minutes to cook in medium heat, and it looks soft. Now I'm going to remove it and leave it to semi-cool. And now let's scoop out the pulp from the skin and put it into a bowl. Now I have finished scooping the pulp, and now let's start mixing the pudding. Now with a masher, let's mash while it's still warm. Now add the eggs, and let's add the powdered jaggery, half teaspoon nutmeg powder and half teaspoon cinnamon powder, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and finally the condensed milk. And now let's combine everything together. Just to make it smoother, I'm going to use the hand blender for 30 seconds. Don't beat it more than 30 seconds. I would recommend you to use a hand whisk and beat it really smooth. Now I'm going to steam this. You can steam it or either bake it. I'm using a pumpkin mold, but you can use any heat-proof bowl or individual cups. And I'm going to cover it with a foil paper. If you are planning to bake this, you can bake it in a water bath for 50 minutes to 1 hour or until done. I'm going to steam it. Steam it for half an hour to 40 minutes. After 35 minutes, prick with a skewer. If the skewer comes out clean, then the pudding is done. And now it's ready. Top it with some cashew nuts, but this is optional. And I'm going to leave this in the refrigerator, and then I'm going to unmold the pudding. After a couple of hours, I have unmolded the pudding. You can decorate as you want. Hope you enjoyed this delicious and easy pumpkin pudding. Do try out this recipe and leave me a comment. If you like this video, please share it with your family and friends. Stay tuned for series of desserts in my future videos. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Thanks for watching. See you later.